Hello friends, welcome. In the previous video, we uploaded the image and we added the input here in the create blade. Now, in this video, I'm going to display the image here in the table. And also if we go to the edit and let's say I just want to update the title and this is published. If I say update, nothing happened, just redirect back because in the controller, we use that request. So if I open the post controller, in the update, we use the post store request, and this post store request has the image and give it the required rule. But we don't have the image field here. Input. So also if we go and let's say delete this, click OK. The post is deleted. So refresh, yeah. In the post, we don't have any post, but if we go in the storage, public post, we have the image here. So let's going to delete this manually. So first we need to fix to display the image here first in the table. So let's go and create new, let us say new post, choose the image. I'm going to choose this one and let's type something. Let's say create. Okay, let's display now the image in the table. For that, we need to go inside the resources, views, posts, and index blade. Let's copy this the head for title, and I'm going to add down there, change the title to be image, and also let's copy this one now and remove the title because here I'm going to display the image. So I'm going to say image with the source, and I'm going to use the asset helper method, and I'm going to say asset storage. I'm going to use slash and give it the path. So in this case, we added the path in the post image. Let's give it some styles. So I'm going to say class with width to be and the same as, or just edge is going to be auto. Let's leave it auto. And let's close, let's save it, and let's see what we have. Okay, here it is, the image. Let's go and create new one. Test, choose a file, and I'm going to choose the Laravel PNG. And something else, create. Okay, here it is. Good. Now, in the edit, we need to add the input for image. So let's go in the create blade and copy the code for the image here. And now go to the edit and paste it after the title. Okay, also we need to add in the form the enc type to be multi-part form data. Let's save it. Now in the post controller in the update, we don't say if I refresh, we have the image, but when we update it, for example, I want to update only the title or maybe only the body or the body and the title and the published, but I don't want to upload the image for that. I'm going to leave it the image we created. And if I say update, we have the image field is required. So for update, I'm going to make this nullable and we can create a new store request, post request. So let's open the terminal and I have run the Laravel mix. So let's clear this up and say PHP artisan make request, and I'm going to say post update request, enter, close now this and open that post update request. Here choose the authorized to true, and what we need to have only the title and the body. So I'm going to copy what we have in the post request, post store request, so only these two, copy and paste it in the update. Let's save it, close this one. Now in the post controller, instead of post store request, I'm going to say post update request. And now with the request validated here, we get only the title and the body. Here we say if the request is published, we add it here, okay. And now I'm going to check also for the image. If we choose the image, I'm going to upload. If not, I'm going to leave it what the post image path is. So I'm going to say if the request has file, so what we learned in the previous video, we need to give it the name. Now, if the request has file, this is going to return true. So if we choose the image here, and if with that, the first thing we need to delete the previous file. So in the storage, we have the image here. So we need to delete that and upload new one. So for that, I'm going to use the storage illuminate support facades storage and import that. So up here, okay, and say storage, call the delete method, and here we need to add the path, so $post image. I'm going to delete the image we have for this post and upload new one, and I'm going to say $post image. Now this is the path we have in our database, and I'm going to instantiate this with the new post. So I'm going to copy this we have here and paste it down. So if the request has a file, we deleting the first file, and also we are updating the image here, the path. So we are going to update, we have this path, and I'm going to instantiate this with the path we get from this new file. Okay, hope you understand. And now when we say post update, we added the request validated, and here we get only the title and the body. Okay, so what fields we add here is going to get from the request validated. Also for the is published, we added the published here, and we need for the image to say, and maybe do something like this. And I'm going to say for the image, it's going to be the post image. Now, if we have a file, we update this post image with the new one. If we don't have, if we don't choose the image, this is going to remain the same. Okay, friends. If I save now and let's go to the post, refresh. Now we can see here in the test we have this Laravel image. Let's go and edit this one, and I'm going to choose this file now. Click open. Let's say update, and we can see the image has changed, And if I navigate in the storage posts, we have only 2 files, so the Laravel has Laravel PNG is delete. Okay, the same thing now we need to do for when we delete in the post. And one more thing I'm going to show you. So if I just update the title and let's say update the published. Okay, so we updated the title and the image remaining the same. We can see here. Now let's work with delete. So when we destroy the post, we need to delete first the image after delete the post. Okay, because if we delete the post first, we don't have the image path. Okay, so don't forget so first delete the image and after delete the post. So storage delete the post image and after delete itself. And also we say status here, but we don't have. So if I say delete now, yeah, the post is deleted, but the flash message is missing. And if I come here in the post, now we have only one file. And let's bring back the flash message. So for that, we need to go in the resources, views, layouts, app layout, and here we need to add that flash message. And we have that flash message in our main layout blade we have created. So here it is. Let's copy this and paste it in the layout app. Here I'm going to add right here. Save it. Come here, refresh. Let's say delete this one. Click OK. And yeah, we have the post deleted successfully. Okay, friends, that's it about this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.